All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive. Today, we're looking at investing and specifically uh, kind of the stuff they don't teach you in school. Like
Right.
we all took classes on,
Yeah.
history and math and whatever else.
Hmm.
But when it comes to
Yeah.
actually managing your money
Yeah.
and learning how to invest and grow your wealth,
Totally.
no one really teaches you that stuff.
That's true.
And there's this misconception out there
Yeah.
that investing is only for
Yeah.
rich people or experts or something.
Right.
And I think that's something that a lot of people
Absolutely.
kind of struggle with early on.
It's very intimidating.
Yeah, it is.
When you first get into it, you're like,
Yeah.
what is all this jargon?
Yeah.
Where do I even start?
Totally. So let's talk about that for a minute. Like,
Mhm.
what are some of the
Yeah.
biggest misconceptions that people have?
Yeah. So one of the big ones, and you hit it right on the head, is
Yeah.
that you need a ton of money to get started. And that's just not true at all.
Okay.
Really, the most important thing is just starting early
Okay. Why is that so important?
because of this concept called compounding.
Okay, I've heard that word thrown around.
Yes.
But what does that actually mean?
Okay, so basically compounding is the idea
Mhm.
that when you invest your money,
Okay.
it earns returns.
Right.
And then those returns get reinvested.
Okay.
And then they earn returns on top of the returns.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like a snowball effect.
Got it.
You know, like a snowball rolling downhill.
Yeah.
It gets bigger and bigger over time.
Okay, that makes sense.
And the earlier you start,
Yeah.
the more time you have for that snowball to grow.
So are you saying that,
Mm-hmm.
even if I don't have a lot of money right now,
Yes,
I should still start investing?
absolutely.
Okay.
Even if it's just a small amount,
Mm-hmm.
like even $50 a month
Okay.
can make a huge difference over time.
Wow. That's actually really encouraging to hear. Because I think a lot of people...
They need to wait until they have thousands of dollars saved up
Exactly.
before they can even start.
Yeah. And that's just delaying the process.
Got it.
The sooner you start, the better.
Okay, so let's say I'm ready to start.
Yeah.
What's like a good first step?
One of the easiest ways to get started is with index funds.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of those before?
I think so, but I don't really know what they are.
Okay, so an index fund is basically a type of investment
Yeah.
that tracks a specific market index,
Okay.
like the S&P 500, for example.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of trying to pick individual stocks,
Okay.
you're essentially investing in the entire market
Got it.
all at once.
And that's less risky, right?
Exactly. It's a lot less risky than trying to pick individual stocks because you're diversifying your investments.
Okay, so I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket.
Exactly.
Got it. So index funds are a good place to start?
Yes.
Start early, even if it's a small amount.
And let the magic of compounding do its thing.
Exactly.
Awesome. Well, this has been super helpful.
Of course.
I think a lot of people are going to find this really valuable.
I hope so.
So listeners, what small step can you take today to get started on your investing journey? Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.